Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ashu Talks. So in this video, I will clear all your doubt regarding TCS NQT that is going to held on August and November. Okay, so I will talk about everything in details from point to point. Many of the candidates have personally messaged me regarding this NQT and have doubts regarding that also. Okay, so here you can see on the screen. First of all, the point is, will TCS hire from this NQT? Because as you all know, May NQT was held, but there is no any news of hiring. Okay, so we will talk about that TCS will hire in August or not. Okay, so this is a very important question for all of you candidates, because if you are purchasing for 1,000 rupees exam, if you are giving 1,000 rupees exam, so if they won't hire, so it is a waste of money. Okay, so they will hire or not, we will talk about that also. And the second point is, who can apply for this NQT? So what is the eligibility criteria? Who can apply for TCS NQT? Like, many candidates have problem that they are experienced candidate. Some have problem that they are graduated in 2018, 2017. So I will give you all the details about this, that who can apply and what are the eligibility criteria of this TCS NQT. And the third point is, exam is paid or free. Okay, so as you all know, from past two to three exams, this exam was paid. Okay, so but this NQT is paid or free. Okay, so we will talk about that also. And the last point is last date to register. Okay, so this is the main point. Like, many of the candidates are asking, what is the last date to register for this TCS NQT? Okay, so I will talk about everything in detail. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, so you will get a regular updates for our channel. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see on the screen, we are on the official page of TCS NQT. From here you can register for TCS NQT. If you want to register for TCS NQT, simply have to log in and pay the fees, and you will be registered for the exam. And before before 2 to 3 days of exam, you will get hall ticket and you can take the exam. Okay, and all the details are given below. You can read all the details in this website. This will give you all the information. Okay, so as we scroll down, there is a like option FAQ question section. Okay, so here is the FAQ section. Here are question asked. Okay, so if you have doubt regarding this, you can read all the question, like what is TCS NQT, what is NQT, attitudinal alignment, industry NQT, subject NQT. So these are the different subject, different exam you are going to give in NQT. Okay, so all this is given, and the first question is, who can apply for TCS NQT? Okay, so let's talk about this. Here you can see, candidate eligible to apply for TCS NQT should meet the below eligibility criteria. So this is the particular eligibility criteria one must fulfill to give the TCS NQT exam. Okay, if you are from UG, undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma student who are in their pre-final and final year of study during the period of 2021 and 2023. Okay, so if you are from 2021 batch, 2022 batch and 2023 batch, you can apply for this NQT. Okay, if you are doing any undergraduate course, like if you are doing BBA, BCA, PE, BTech, any undergraduate or postgraduate code, you can apply for this. Okay, and the next point is, candidate who have passed out in the year 2017, 2020 with a degree and a specialization. Okay, so if you have passed out in 2017, 2018, 2019 or 2020, then also you can apply. Okay, for consider 2017 to 2023. If you are from any of these batches, you can apply for TCS NQT. Okay, and the third point is, fresher with less than 2 years of experience. So if you are candidate like who passed out in 2018, okay, but have more than 2 years of experience, then you cannot apply for this NQT. Okay, so it is must that you should have less than 2 years of experience. Okay, and here you can see age limit from 18 years of age to maximum 20 years of age. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria. From I hope you got all the details from these 4 points. Okay, so this is the like who can apply for this NQT exam, all the details. Okay, and second question, when will the application close for the TCS NQT exam? So many of the candidates having this doubt, like when is the last date to apply for TCS NQT? Okay, so here you can see, for every TCS NQT exam session, application will close 15 days prior to the first exam date in that session. Okay, so as you all know, the first exam is on August. Okay, so there is not specific date, release date. Okay, so this is July, so please register before 15th of July to be safe. Okay, there is no date given like when will the registration will be closed. so register as soon as possible. That will be so much helpful for you. Okay, so here you can see all other details. So we will talk about everything. Okay, so you can see on the screen we have covered two questions, like who can apply for this NQT, and the next question is last date to register. We have completed these two questions, and let's go to other two questions. So exam is paid or free? Okay, so this is the most important question, like exam is paid or free. Okay, so the answer is exam is paid. Okay, so any other NQT that will going to happen after this, all NQT will be paid. There will be no free NQT from now onwards. Okay, so every NQT will be paid, so you have to pay fees to appear for TCS NQT. Okay, I hope I make it clear that exam is paid. Okay, and the first point is, will TCS hire from this NQT? Okay, so there are high chances that TCS will hire from this NQT. I have talked with TCS team members. There is a customer number, like where you can talk with TCS team. Okay, and there is email ID also. You can see on the website. They will be provided. There will be a website. Okay, in that website you will get email ID and a phone number also, like that is a toll free phone number. You can call or you can chat over mail with the TCS NQT team. You have to mail and they will reply with your query. Okay, so if you have any query, feel free to send them a message and they will definitely reply. Okay, so I have asked them a question like, will TCS hire from this NQT? So their reply is yes, TCS will hire from this NQT. Okay, so this is going to be very important NQT exam for all of you candidates. So please prepare well and good for this NQT and please crack the exam so you get a good job in TCS. As you all know, if you appear for like there is a high package in TCS, like starting salary is 25,000 in hand salary. So this is well and good for a fresher. So please prepare, and there are various exams, as you all know. Let's discuss the subject. Here you can see on the screen. First of all, there is NQT cognitive skills. Okay, so cognitive skills is important for all of the candidates who are appearing for TCS NQT. If you have given exam of cognitive skills before that, so it is not compulsory for you. But if you are giving NQT for the first time, cognitive skills is must to appear for the NQT. Okay, so you must buy cognitive skills. And the second is attitudinal alignment. Attitudinal alignment is not that important. If you want to give, you can give, but it is not compulsory. Okay, and here is the industry NQT section. If you want to give information technology, banking and finance services, you can buy. But the main important thing is, first of all, cognitive, as you all know. And in the subject NQT, if you want to go into IT sector, IT programming is the most important exam. So this is IT programming exam and this is cognitive exam. These two exam, if you give these two exam, okay, you will be ready to get a job in TCS. Okay, if you score good. And here is the exam. You can see basic computer skills, accountant. There are various new subjects added for this exam. Okay, for August variant. Okay, and here you can see on the screen there is other variant also, NQT bundle pack. Okay, so in this bundle pack you will get 3 exam for ₹1,000 only. Okay, if you buy it like individually, you have to pay ₹1,400 or 1,500. But if you buy in a bundle, you have to pay only ₹1,000. Okay, so this is a great deal for all of you candidates. I will link this website in description. So please go through this website. If you have any query, please write in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.